All right, this is Liberty stock number 50235. It's a Sunnen model MBC-1802 power stroking horizontal hone. It's equipped with stone saver, power stroking, and in size, automatic sizing.
Yeah, it does have that right up front. In fact, as long as you're there with the camera. This is it. We haven't used it or haven't tied it into the circuit. It's all here physically, you know, in the boxes back there. I'll show you in a minute, but that just comes up in here, latches up, and it's a nice option to have on these things. That said, we can stroke at the latch out here. This all goes well. We have the clock up here. I can bring it up just static, just to show you where the stones comes up here. Oh, we are on. Hang on a second. I want to get my hand in there. Here we go. So if you watch the needle right here, I'm just using the treadle, which would be a power stroke. I'm just going to go up to 0 and back it off. So that's all that is. Okay. That's working. Got the latch up. All the gate comes up. Got a couple lines on here, and that all latches up good. And like I said, this is where the size control runs along this hex bar right here. We've got it clamped up way out here out of the way. So that, got the tray for gauging, spindle motor. We can open some of this up here as long as we're walking around. There's a spindle motor. We're on the second speed up on that guy. Brake is on right now. It's got the band for the brake, slows it down. So, yeah. And what else is under here? I don't know. Oh, okay. And the oil pump. Currently disconnected. We ran it for about 5 seconds, and I disconnected the 3-phase off of this. I don't like to run the pumps without any oil coming through them. Filtration. And yeah, that's about it over here. You know, kind of leave this open for the time being while we're running. And here's the feed side. Here's the stroker. Up high. And again, are we still disconnected? Yeah, that's just right here. That's me. And you can kind of see where we're on the C scale there, what, 1.5 inches, whatever it is. So stroking pretty good. You'll see it better once it starts running. Let me latch that back up again. There we go. Latch that in. Get the guard up, safety guard. Down low to your right is the electric panel. Currently running 220 low volts. There's our 3 caps right here. We're gonna stay with the oil. We'll plug it back in after we do this video. And the last item of interest really is the feed box down here. So.
Oh, you were going to show me the
what? Oh yeah, we were going to show you the box. I'm sorry, you're right. That's back up in here. See the toggle switch there and the dial?
Yes.
I just haven't read enough about it, Pete. We got some books on it that kind of talk about it. I'm not an operator, and I don't know how to set it up properly to effect.
But it's automatic size control.
Right, that's exactly what it is, right?
Okay.
So that's that. I did forget about that. Like I started to stay down low with the feed box. Again, with the multiple step pulleys for the belt, for the stroker. I said feed box, it's really a stroker motor. I gave my terminology right.
Okay.
Yep, and then the operator's control. We'll go right to that. We've got cycle start, 3 ways to go. Your full auto, which is just cycle start then. Manual, which is just off the foot treadle, spindle only. And then you got power, which is off the foot treadle with the stroker. We'll start from right to left and just do that. Main start is here. There's our power circuit. Well, here's manual, right in the middle, we're on it. I think this just brings in the spindle off the treadle. That's all it is. And you can just manually hone, and of course bring in the stones as you may. And there's power. I'm locked in. This should all be clear. Now you'll get the same thing, but with the stroker unit on here. And that said, we'll do the same thing again, but auto cycle. Starts the motor. You can hear the feed motor back there. That runs continuously off the cam, and we hit it once. Everything comes together. It's only like a 10-second cycle. You kind of see that. We'll do it again. You can kind of watch that needle up there. Do one more time. Yeah, it's fun stuff. It all works really nice. Yeah, pick yourself out a spot there. I got it kind of set right at 0 here. I'm pretty close to it. One more time. there. And if you come around here, you can kind of see what's happening with all that too. So I'll hit the auto cycle. You can kind of see it stroking. I think you can see the cam down here. That's the cam that starts the whole action right there. See it turns on the stroker unit. Comes around.
Wonderful.
And yeah, I don't know, I didn't really try.
Voltage?
Voltage, we mentioned the 220 on the volts, and I didn't really go. We can go a step more maybe, just kind of raise this up a little bit. I hadn't really heard the spindle. Let's go one more up. I'm gonna jump 2. It's easy enough to change, I think. There we go. That's that. I just want to hear the spindle without the stroker manual, just to hear what it sounds like going a little bit faster. Yeah, that's up the speed. That's up 2 notches on the pulley. That's going pretty fast for a big ass stone that's in there.
Yeah, what is that?
No, it's all about this right here, the size of the. Oh, that? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it's got the chart. It doesn't.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about it's going really fast for that size of a tool in there. It's a pretty good size. They were doing some big bore stuff. Brake works. Everything's good. Power off.
Okay.
And yeah, that is it on that.